Bonjour tous le monde. I am Jacques Nguesso Boigny. I'm the President of the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire, and I want to congratulate you, English speakers, on Independence Day, 1983. As you all know, we are proud that all Ivorian citizens have good connections with the French. The French have helped us become better human beings, better citizens, and upright men. And we are happy about this, and we're proud about this. We want to also thank the French for giving us 200 million in aid. They built us the new cathedral in Yamoussoukro, and they completed it for us, and they helped us to build other public buildings. I also have another point. The second point is that we want to also thank all Ivorian citizens who are not adopting communist practices. The biggest threat to us, to all the French-speaking Africa, is the communists. Henceforth, we have to be steadfast. We have to deal with them. Pardon my English. But we will succeed in defeating the communists. They have no power in Africa. As you all know, with the French support, we dealt with the communists in Benin. We dealt with Mathieu Kérékou, and he got assassinated. As you all know, every Ivorian citizen has two countries, France and Ivory Coast. We are proud of the fact that we pay our taxes to France to build the French people and to build France. We are proud of this identity that France gave us, and we will not regret it at all. No one will disturb it, not even the Americans, because France is our father. De Gaulle is our grandfather. My other point is the fact that Mitterrand who's coming for the independence celebrations tomorrow, has also brought a crate of French food for the independence ceremony. This would be only for the top men in Ivory Coast, so invitations will not be easy. A lot of our French advisors are also going to come. You know, we have our French advisors, our Italian advisors, they're all going to arrive because we don't accept anyone else. You know, as I said before, France is our father. De Gaulle is our grandfather. We're also, my last point, my finishing point is that to all my English speakers who say that we are slaves to the French and that we don't have dignity and we're not upright, I want to tell you this. We are upright citizens, but France is our only way to success and modernization in life. Without France, we're nothing. We will just be staying in villages, you know? The reason that we have cities is because of the French. The reason that I'm wearing this suit is because of the French. So I want you to know that we cannot judge the French, same as you guys don't judge the British or the Spanish or the Portuguese, you know? So, vive la République d'Ivoirien, vive la France, and we will never regret giving our taxes to France, as it benefits the both of us. Thank you very much. Merci, bon chance.